Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel. Today we're going to be showing you PPE's Performance Air-to-Water and Intercooler Pipe Kit for the 6.7 Powerstrokes. PPE has come out with a new Performance Air-to-Water Intercooler Kit for you 6.7 Powerstroke guys. Now, this PPE part, you can get this in the powder-coated black or you can get this in the raw air-to-water intercooler version. And it's an all-in-one kit that is going to service the 2011 Powerstrokes all the way up to the time of this filming. It works all the way up to the 2023 Powerstroke, 6.7 Powerstrokes. You want to make sure that you check your part numbers and your applications for that. But for right now, it's an all-in-one kit servicing all the platforms that we have before us. So let's show you what comes in the kit, and then we'll talk about some of the performance advantages that the air-to-water has for you. So first off, you're going to get obviously the air-to-water intercooler itself. The air-to-water intercooler itself inside of this kit, performance-wise, it's got a 50% larger core area, and it's going to have 63% less restriction than the stock air-to-water, and we'll talk about that in just a second. Kit comes with multi-layer silicone couplings. It has the intercooler pipes for both the hot side and the cold side to make the transitions in conjunction with your silicone couplings. Also comes with the OE style connections for the hot side and the cold side at the truck with the O-rings installed inside of those. And then it comes with all reinforced clamps for the silicone boots to be attached to the intercooler piping. So we talked just a little bit about how much less restrictive this air-to-water is. This is a redesigned barn plate style core on this, and they have managed to get, again, a 50% larger core inside this. So a lot less back pressure on this, a lot better flowing air-to-water intercooler. It's going to lower your EGTs, make the truck much more efficient. I'm going to do the best I can to kind of show you. I've got a stock core here on the air-to-water, and you can kind of see just in the size difference in these two what that looks like. You know, inlet side is going to be the same, but the core increased size that they were able to work on this unit to the stock unit is amazing. Adam and I worked on the shots to try to show you the inside of the stock core to the PPE core, and we'll try it just a little bit here. In fact, you know what, Adam, I'm going to come off the table and kind of show them. So I'm going to walk around the table. I'm going to show you kind of the inlet, and I hope we've got enough light for this. You can kind of see the inlet to this on the PPE. And how much better, yep, there we go. So you can see that redesigned barn plate core in there. That core is very, very free flowing, and you don't have a lot to disrupt the airflow inside of that to get across that core. And let me show you the difference to that in the stock one. So this is your stock air-to-water, and this is, you know, fin style as well, or a barn plate style as well, but you can kind of see inside of there. Let me catch that light. You can kind of see those fins there on your left-hand portion of the screen there, folks. You can kind of see how they rise there. That is not even the surface of the core for the air-to-water, so there's a lot to be restrictive to your airflow inside of there, but not to just mention, you know, the sheer difference in the sizes of the air-to-water. So this is an awesome product from PPE, and it's affordable too. I mean, you're talking about if you have to go inside the truck and you're going to be doing an air-to-water upgrade on it, you're tired of fighting with all of the failures of the cold side pipe bursting and so on there. They have made that upgrade inside this kit and given you a performance air-to-water that's just going to be great for your truck. So if you're considering doing this upgrade on your 6.7 Powerstroke, we definitely suggest you take a look at the PPE product. All in one stop for you, give you a much better performing air-to-water, and get rid of the failure-prone hot side pipe or cold side pipe on these trucks. So if you have any questions on PPE or 6.7 Powerstrokes or anything, just give us a call. Thanks for watching.